Welcome to our channel, where today we are diving deep into the marvels of the night sky. Our main protagonist for today's video is none other than the magnificent moonlight. It's a fact that is perhaps easy to overlook, but moonlight is actually reflected sunlight. Yes, that's right. The moon does not emit its own light, but rather reflects light from the sun, which illuminates the dark night sky. Now, one interesting question to ponder on is, why does moonlight sometimes appear to be colored or tinged, say for example, a warm yellow or a chilly blue? Keep that in mind as we journey through the other amazing facts about moonlight, and we will reveal the answer at the end of the video. If you've ever enjoyed a moonlit stroll, you know how magical the glow of the moon can be. It is, in essence, sunbeams making their way to us after a celestial detour of the moon's reflective surface. But, it is important to remember that not all of the moon's surface reflects sunlight equally. Some areas of the lunar surface, known as seas despite being devoid of water, are actually smoother and darker, and therefore reflect less sunlight. Many living organisms on Earth, including various plant and animal species, have been noticed to respond to the cycles of moonlight. These movements, behaviors, and physiological changes often follow a monthly cycle, all in tune with the waxing and waning of moonlight. Ever wondered why full moon nights can sometimes seem as bright as day? The phenomenon we know as moonlight is usually only a fraction as bright as daylight. However, our eyes adapt to the darkness in a way that full moon seems bright enough for us to see clearly. This also accounts for why stars seem less visible during a full moon, as the moonlight outshines the faint glow of distant stars. Even though moonlight is less bright than sunlight, it has inspired a wealth of creation and contemplation. It has been a muse to musicians, poets, writers, and artists for centuries, creating timeless pieces of literature, artwork, and music. It's safe to say that our cultural fabric is generously imbued with the threads of moonlight. Now, remember the question we asked at the beginning? Why does moonlight sometimes seem to change color, like how some nights the moon is blue or yellow? Well, the answer lies in our atmosphere. As moonlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, small particles and aerosols can scatter short wavelength light, such blue and green light, to the sides and away from your line of sight. What remains are the longer wavelengths of light, the reds, oranges, and yellows, giving the moon its distinctive tinge. To add to that, the moon can also appear red or orange when it is near the horizon. This is a result of the light also passing through a larger expanse of the Earth's atmosphere where the blue and green light is scattered even more, allowing the longer wavelengths to reach your eyes. In this trip through moonlight's mysteries, we've discovered so much more than the cool glow that lights up the night. As we wrap up, remember next time you find yourself under moonlight, you are experiencing the interplay of sunlight, moon surface, our vision, and the Earth's atmosphere. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found these facts about moonlight as fascinating as we did. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to like, share, or comment below. End of content.